Hi. So as far as kind of seeing like the school counseling program play in the school community regarding school climate, I believe it plays a major role. Um, at my campus, I see the school counselor as like one of the additional admin roles as far as the responsibility that they do and kind of what what's expected from them as far as having equity with all students. And so I think school counselors put on that big or the multiple hats um, regarding literally every aspect that you can think of as far as schools. The mental health, social emotional, family, parents, like workshop stuff. Um, making sure grades are okay for students, making sure if they want to switch classes, hearing them out, is there a problem with the teachers? You can see it because I've even seen it where teachers come in and have a little like kind of like check in with the counselors there. Talk about what's going on in their classrooms. Struggles with a certain kid or kids, or they're seeing a trend, and that our responsibility is to kind of assess it and figure out a plan to help kids out and help the teacher out, because eventually what I want is for my school counseling program, or when I'm a counselor, is I want everything to be fluid. Everything should just kind of run. Fact, I know that's not ideal, or not ideal, but like it's a very tough task. But if I can push it to the limit as far as making sure everybody's on the same page, um, more engagement, willing to listen, hear things out instead of, a typical, well, he's just a bad kid, he's just lazy, there's more to it, sometimes. I want to, build those bridges and, create new paths, to help these students out. Maybe again, some things weren't working for this long time. I think sometimes change is a little hard on students and teachers. Um, and I think, trying people to buy in into it, for the good is something like I want to do because I'm seeing it in my own school that I'm at, and not a lot of teachers want to accept the new change, especially the older generation, and that can become an issue. But yeah, I really think that the school counselors, they are the ones that run the school. That's just me. So, we take that responsibility and, we make the most of it, to help these students. So yeah, thank you.